Hey, this is Dave Ing. I'm working on a Dodge Dart today in the junkyard. We are doing the trunk latch today. Now, the trunk latch sits on the lid. Striker is down there. There are these two rubber pads. The trunk latch sits underneath a plastic cover that is underneath this fabric. So we have got to get the fabric down without damaging it. There's these rubber stoppers that you can pry off. This one was missing, and I just kind of pulled this one out. The plastic is a little brittle sometimes, but hopefully you can get that off easily. Like I would just pry that out. Now the emergency release cable, you want to tuck that up into the fabric lining there, so you can get to that. Maybe just fold that down. I use a pry tool because there's these two clips that you've got to just kind of pull down on, and they'll come out, and this will get that plastic cover off. That way it'll just kind of shimmy out of there, and just hold that to the side. Now this is held in with just two 10mm bolts. I use an impact in the junction. Okay, the latch will drop down, and the last thing that we do is unplug the electrical connector, and you'll see it plugged into the actuator here, and then the latch. I just kind of pull up on that. And that's good. And that's it. Installation is the reverse of removal.
So I am back in the office for bench testing. I have a wiring plug and a little bit of wiring from the junkyard. The black wire we'll use as ground. The two outer wires here, these two, will control the actuator. I have the latch in the closed position. And so we'll just hook that up. I have a power probe in the office that I use. You know what, need a solid connection there. We'll just fire it off like this. And so that's working. The middle wire tells the dash and the trunk light that the latch is in the open position, and you'll see that it comes out of the middle of the plug here and connects to the metal, and so we'll have continuity there, and that will light up the dash to let you know the trunk is open. I hope this helps. I'll have the OEM part number in the description as well as a link to eBay. We'll see you next time.